Good evening everyone. Blessed Monday po. Samahan niyo po ako sa gabing ito sa ating CCF Intercede. Sa panahong ito, we need to rejoice always to the Lord. I'm Sis Weng. My devotion is from 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 16 to 17. The title of my devotion is Rejoice Always. Rejoice always. Pray continually. 1 Thessalonians 5:16 to 17. These verses are very short but very powerful. God is calling us to live a life of joy and constant connection with Him. Rejoice always, not only when life is good, but even in trials. Pray continually. Not just during church or problems, but every moment. It means our relationship with God is not part-time, but every day, every situation. There are times when it's hard to rejoice, especially when may problema sa pamilya, may sakit, may pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Sometimes we only pray when we need something, but God invites us into a deeper life, a lifestyle of joy and prayer, not just reaction. Start my day with a simple prayer, kahit maikli. Talk to God anytime. Habang nagluluto, naglalakad, nagpapahinga, choose to rejoice by thanking God kahit sa maliliit na bagay. When problem comes, instead of worrying, first, pray continually. Ang Diyos laging handa, laging nag-aantay, masaya o malungkot, malusog o may sakit. Mga kapatid, dito po natatapos ang aking devotion. Isang mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Samahan niyo ako sa isang maikling panalangin. Panginoon, turuan mo po akong magalak sa lahat ng oras at manalangin ng walang tigil kahit sa gitna ng pagsubok. Tulungan mo po akong magtiwala sa iyo. Gawin mong natural sa akin ang pakikipag-usap sa iyo araw-araw. Salamat dahil ikaw ang aking kagalakan at lakas. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, Amen and Amen.